Good morning, everyone! First of all, let me welcome you all to this new journey of learning English. I am truly happy and excited to see all of you here today. My name is Teacher Amelia, and I will be your English teacher for this course. Before we start, I want you to know something very important. This classroom is not just a place to study. It is a place to explore, to make mistakes, to learn, and to grow together. So don't be afraid of speaking English here. Even if you make mistakes, it's completely okay. In fact, mistakes are proof that you are trying, and trying is the first step to success. Now, let me tell you a little about myself. I have been teaching English for several years, and I truly enjoy helping students improve their speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. My goal is very simple. I want you to feel confident when you speak English, whether inside the classroom or outside in the real world. In my class, we will not just focus on textbooks. We will do fun activities, group discussions, storytelling, role plays, and even games. Learning English will not be boring here. It will be exciting and interactive. I also want to set one rule from the very beginning. Respect is important. Respect yourself, respect your classmates, and respect the learning environment. Now, I would love to know about you all. Yes, you. I want each of you to introduce yourself. Tell me your name and one interesting thing about you. Don't worry, there is no fear here, only learning and improvement. Chat, chat, smile. Remember, English is not just a subject. It is a skill that opens doors to the world. And I am here to help you open those doors step by step, door earth. So let's begin this journey together with confidence, curiosity, and a big smile. Como School. Welcome to the class once again. I am excited to learn with you all. Thank you. Star.